Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the PC's wireless adapter is actually active. This is the first actionable step. Open Device Manager or System Settings and enable the adapter, or flip the laptop hardware Wi-Fi switch. Next, verify you know the network SSID and password. Write them down so you don't guess. Make sure the router is powered and nearby for a strong signal. Once done, open the network menu to begin scanning for available Wi-Fi networks. Once you see the router's SSID in the network list, select it and choose Connect. Type the password exactly, because one wrong character stops authentication. If prompted, pick the network profile, private for your home so device discovery and sharing work, public for cafes to limit exposure. Make sure IP settings are set to obtain an IP automatically via DHCP unless the network requires a static IP, configuring DNS to 8. 8 is optional. After connection, confirm internet by loading a website or running ping 8 to check reachability. This verifies DNS and routing separately. If there is no internet, restart the Wi-Fi adapter, and if needed, reboot the router. Simple resets often resolve DHCP or routing hiccups. Make sure wireless drivers are up to date, and verify firewall or VPN settings aren't blocking access. If problems continue, remove the network profile and reconnect, because a fresh handshake can clear persistent authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.